it'll go from looking like this to this.
Yo, Noah.
What's up, guys? So I'm going to show you today how to clean the inside of your truck. Mine is disgusting. As you can tell, it's just filthy, right? So we're going to use Simple Green and clean the truck. So we're going to go through and just take your spray, set it to the spray, and you're going to squirt down everything. So if your truck is super dirty like mine, it's going to take a while, but I'm going to do this and I'm going to time lapse it and I'll show you guys after.
Yo, Noah.
All right, guys. So if you have a hose, you don't have to do this step, but I don't, so I have to. So what I have, since I don't have a hose, is I stick this into a 5-gallon bucket, and it just recharges, and it like sucks the water through. This is like a water pump, and then you have the little hose end there. So this is what I'm going to use with a 5-gallon bucket of water to rinse down what we just sprayed down in there. So everything's all sprayed. I'm actually going to spray that too, but everything's all sprayed. So it'll go from looking like this to what it'll look like after. So you just stick this in here, turn it on, and it works. So, and just like that. And in case you guys are wondering, this is dish soap. I'm going to come back out with regular water and use that to rinse that off as well. But that's all I have for now. It's just dish soap in there to help get some of this grease off too. But that's what we're going to do now.